Wanted to walk you through a quick little day trading video we have. I day traded Google today. Just a real quick lesson about paying for your trade as well as booking profit. Now, the market's in a real shaky spot. Let's look over the SPY. We can see it's trying to hold up at this support right here. Huge macro support. So the market's very shaky. So normally you don't really want to buy anything, but if you were to buy something, you want it to be the strongest name in the market, which, as we've seen, is Google, especially after those crazy earnings. So let's talk about this trade. So we can see all the way up in this huge trend. Oh, let's delete these lines. In this huge trend, you can see the 50-day supporting the stock. All right, the green line right here. So when it's consolidating right here, and I know what's the low? 807, and it's right around 806. Is this 50-day moving average? So I know this 806 area is going to be an area of support. Right now, low of the day is 807. Low of the day, 807. So I was watching this name, and this was right around the SPY S&P 500 was right around where I was looking to get in. Right as I was looking to get in, it was looking to reverse. So back to the trade. I was looking at Google here, 808.50. I saw it tried to break down, go for lows, and then just buying, just wouldn't even let it test lows. Like, very great buying, right at support. That's what you want to see if you're going to buy a stock on cheap, on tight risk. So low of day 807. So I see the market starting to reverse, and I see this as getting hit up. And they had great earnings, so I was waiting for them to turn. So I buy 100 shares to watch at around 808.50, and I'm giving it to low of day, 150 bucks. Then when I start to get a little confirmation about the buying, I uptick another about 808.70. So I'm risking 320 bucks. All right. So I sell 100 shares on the way up for $1.60. That's paying for the trade. I've booked $160 in profit. Now, if this just takes out this 811 and just poops and just takes out lows, I'm break even in the trade, and it's fine. I have nothing to worry about. So, but what I'm going to do is, since I only have 200 shares, it's not really a swing position I'm looking to put on. I'm going to ride this out until I try to find a top. And as I see it trying to push up, I know this 813 area is going to be resistance, because this 813, this is yesterday's 15-minute, or yes, this is a few days, but this is yesterday right here. This is where it broke down from. So you know there's going to be some resistance at this 813. So once it can't push up, I simply just downtick. I downticked 812.72 for about, what I make there, $4. So yeah, so I made $583 on a trade, risked about 320. So almost 2-for-1 risk reward, but it's just a day trade, and it was a high conviction, high probability day trade because of where I was buying it, because I knew the name so well. So things I really want to map out that are super important are knowing your names, knowing support levels, knowing resistance, knowing what the market's doing, and the importance of taking profit in the trade to making it risk-free. Once it's risk-free, I have no worries. Until I get this sold, I'm sitting there all uptight, just it's not looking good. Oh no, what if it doesn't take it out? Google's so crazy. Market's weak. Why am I buying? Then once I sell this, I have no worries. Now, this could take out highs. This could poop. But I'm fine. I already made my money on it. Just a simple day trade. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little lesson on paying for the trade, buying off of support, and knowing where resistance may be. So now, looking at the market, very weak. Very weak. And if it takes out lows, it's 211.70, takes out this little pivot it just tried to put in, it's probably in some trouble. It looks like right now it might be trying to reverse, but I mean, usually you see some feisty buying. All right, there's some, but we'll see. We'll see how this plays out. I'll keep you guys posted. But overall, I just want to give you guys a quick lesson in Google, a little day trade, show you how we do it over here. All right? All right, I'll keep you guys posted with the videos. Have a good one.